In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello and welcome to another great day and a great episode in Photoshop, and today this is our first tutorial in Photoshop. We are going to master some tips and tricks in Photoshop. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So what I want you to do right now is to just import any picture of yours into Photoshop. Now what we are going to do is to change any color to any color in Photoshop. So what we are going to concentrate today is on this model, the dress she's wearing. We're going to change the color of the dress to another color in Photoshop. So let me show you how to do that. So with your photo imported, what I want you to do is to go down here. It's a small icon right here. Just click on this icon and create a hue and saturation on this picture. Now let me zoom in a bit for you to see what is going on. So you could see there's a small icon right here looking like a hand. Click on that and select the color and the dress. Just click on it. Now our color is selected. All I want you to do is to move this slider to the end, like I was plus 180. Then move this color, the saturation of the color of the dress, to around like 85, 90. I think that is okay. 90 is okay. Now you could see down here the color of the dress kind of distorted and kind of is messing up right here. So all I want you to do is to move these sliders to balance it. So when I move here, you could see there's numbers changing here. I'm going to choose around 121 or 120 just to smooth out some stuff. Then 140, I think it will try to balance stuff. But it depends on your image you imported, so you could just balance it yourself and concentrate on just the dress color. That's what we are working on right now. So when I move this slider to, you see these figures also changing. So I'm going to change this to around the right side 290. I think to be okay, or 280 as usual. Then I move this one to around, so you could see there's changes in the dress. Just look at that, to around like 240. 250 is too much, let's say 240. Then 290, I think it's okay. So with this thing done, I think we are okay, and just ignore this side because we just concentrate on the dress. Okay, so what I want you to do after this, move back the slider of the hue to 0. So 0 is okay. I don't know what is happening, but 0 is okay. Let's just type 0 here. I think we're okay. Then this one too, just type 0. This slider one. So this was before when we were editing the picture. So what I want you to do is now just move this slider again and you see the changes. Just look at that. Oh my word. Just look at that. So without any magic, I just did this trick, is to change the color of the model's dress. And that's it. So just go ahead, change any color to any color in Photoshop. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial, and hope to see you soon. Take care and enjoy.